Okay, I'm going to show a problem that we've had with this make code and hardware and using LEGO Technic's parts to build our robot cars. For example, this kind of a car and the cute bot, where we're assembling these LEGO Technic's parts. Axles and gears often are too loose. They don't hold together. In other words, some of these X holes are larger than others. This one fits pretty tight. This one does not. So, some of the axles are different sizes. This one is small, the red one is smaller than the gray one. The red one does not stay very well in some of these parts. So our solution is to 3D print these retainers. It's kind of a hub that is flexible. This is TPU, that material right there. It's a flexible material. We showed the example of our bucket that we printed in TPU. We used that material and we made the axle hub a little bit smaller than the small axle. So now we can force this on as a collar to retain the axle. Like this one, it stays solid. How did we do that? We found a gear STL file with 8 teeth, and we took that STL file into Tinkercad, and then we put a cylinder around the outside and made the cylinder a little bit smaller in the Tinkercad system, and then we saved it as an STL file, and so we end up with this flexible, tight collar that holds anything on in place. I made them in 2 different heights. They don't print real clean when you print a lot of them at one time, so I have to use sandpaper to clean them up. I print, I think, 15 at a time. And so now we've got something we can use to hold pieces together. They're flexible. The LEGO parts are hard plastic. TPU is flexible. So we can make this X hub a little bit smaller and it will expand. There will be more.